Welcome back. Bryan Roschetzky here. I'm a longtime drone pilot and photographer out of Austin, Texas. And today we head back to Giga Texas to get the drone out. And I got a special Tesla video in store for you. So grab your popcorn, hit the like button. Don't forget to subscribe, bell. If you really want to support an artist and support the channel, check out my Patreon account. There's a link in the description. And for everyone else out there, thanks for watching and enjoy the show. You know, they tell us this is how we're supposed to feel, like everything's all right. But you can obviously tell that the skies are polluted, the oceans are starving of fresh, clean air. We are all starving of fresh, clean air. And there isn't anyone helping, and it seems like Tesla is the only one pushing the way for our future generations. Look at our kids. Our kids need a clean future to grow up in. As Tesla dominates the entire industry, let's take the drone out, head over to Giga Texas, and see what kind of progress they're cooking up at one of the largest battery and electric vehicle plants in North America. Let's check out Giga Texas. Who's ready for AI Day 2? Leave me a comment down below, especially if you're going to be attending. Let me know how it's going and what do you expect to see at AI Day 2.
You know, for me, I'm just happy that I can do something amazing for my family. I'm just happy that most of my dreams are coming true. Ever since I've pushed forward with Tesla, with climate change, with trying to do better with pollution, and just pushing my friends and family to support things like Tesla and green energy. I mean, to me, it makes me feel great to look forward to a better future. And when it comes to investing, there is no better company than Tesla to invest in a better future, to invest in a future that we want to see. There's really nothing better than that, because every sunrise, every sunset is just another day gone by, and those memories that we have will last forever. Don't forget to cherish them and do what we can to push forward humanity and make a better future for all. So let's go ahead and do that. It's really easy to say these things, but it's much harder to act on them. So it's time we act. So, and anyways, you can act by hitting the bell, like, subscribe, all that good stuff. And if you've really enjoyed this video, please check me out on Patreon. There's a link in the description. And I hope everyone else just has a great day and a better future for all. Peace.